How to upload high quality story on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily upload high quality stories on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. Then you have to go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here. Then tap on menu. So you have to tap on these three lines in the top right corner and then tap on settings, and here in settings tap on account. Now here in account you will see in the bottom here cellular data use. Tap on it and here you will see media upload quality. So if you turn this on, it will turn on the upload to the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, will automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So to upload high quality Instagram videos, photos and etc, you have to turn this on. So tap on it to turn it on, and now you can upload high quality stories on your Instagram. Thanks for watching.